In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows and columns using Framer stacks. If you're diving into the world of web design with Framer, this will be an essential skill to have. Framer, as some of you might already know, is a fantastic tool that lets you create professional websites effortlessly, without any coding required. It's beloved by designers for its simplicity and power. So, let's get started. First things first. Open your web browser and navigate to the Framer website. If you haven't already signed up for an account, you'll want to do that now. For those of you who already have an account, simply proceed to click on the Login button, which you'll find easily at the top of the page. Enter your credentials and sign in to continue into the Framer environment. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Framer homepage. From here, you have a dashboard view of all your existing projects. It's where creativity begins, as you can either start fresh or dive into ongoing work. For our purposes today, open one of your existing projects. Just click on a project that you want to work with to get started. Now that you have your project open, let's move on to the main task. The layout feature is what you'll be interacting with next, so go ahead and locate the layout option within your project. Clicking this will open up a series of design tools that will allow you to manipulate the structure and appearance of your web page easily. At this point, you'll want to focus on structuring your content using columns and rows. To begin, click on the Columns button. This feature allows you to add columns to your layout, providing a structured way to display information side by side neatly. It's perfect for when you want to align images or text in a grid-like fashion, making sure everything is visually aligned and balanced. Similarly, you might also need to indulge in adding rows. So, go on and click on the Rows button. Rows will let you stack content vertically, giving you the flexibility to organize how your content flows from top to bottom on your page. Combining rows and columns is a dynamic way to manage content flow and presentation, ensuring your web page looks clean and professional. And there you have it. By mastering the use of rows and columns within Framer, you can create layouts that not only look fantastic, but also effectively communicate your message in a structured and visually appealing manner. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Framer.